paano kung 2028 na, end of term na ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos? How can we assure that our fight in the West Philippine Sea will continue? Ito ang dahilan kung bakit we need to reach out, to increase awareness more. Para siguraduhin natin ang Pangulo ng 2028 is not somebody who's going to set aside our fight in the West Philippine Sea at sasabihin uling walang kinalaman sa sikmura ng Pilipino ito at magkakagera at mangangakong magje-jet ski. No? We have to make sure na ang mananalong presidente by 2028 is somebody who's going to pick up what President Bongbong Marcos has started. Itong Pangulo na ito ang patuloy na titindig at itutuloy ang laban natin pagdating sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. We need each one of you as Filipinos to amplify our narrative and to tell the world na mayroong isang bansa katulad ng China na patuloy na nanghaharas ng ordinaryong mangingisda at nagva-violate ng international law.